feeling he's been somewhat overawed by the situation, you know, playing top ranked player.
A top ranked player for sure, and somebody of the capability of Lin Dan.
One
A magician
love.
almost.
Well,
Two.
if Dicky Palyama
Love.
continues in this fashion, then this game may also go well the same way as the first one.
There, Dicky Palyama trying
Three.
some deception of his own.
Love.
But Lin Dan not out of position. Not flicked at all. He was well ready for that shot though. That rally and some luck for Dicky Palyama there. The shuttle
Service over.
just
One,
trickling over the
three.
net. Well, there's something Lin Dan can't do.
Dicky Palyama, but he needs to fight it out in this fashion. Having said that, it's not going to be easy up against a man who can conjure up a number of tricks with a shuttle. Really looking at Lin Dan play, you know, really from the feeling one gets it, the game is so easy. He makes it look so easy.
Well, believe you me, there's a lot of training gone into Lin Dan's practice. I think it just looks easy, but there are only few players who can make it look good. Lin Dan being one of them.
2,
He's in
3.
so much of control, Lin Dan. Here you see, once again, maybe the rub of the green going the way of Dicky Palyama. 2-3.
Lin Dan isn't using these
Service
strokes,
over.
you know, to score of
Two.
them, but he's actually just trying to put the shuttle in play, practice his strokes, try the cross courts, try the down the line, and just see, you know, he's scoring off eventually, but he's really not going to outright winners.
He's doing all that, and in the bargain is also scoring points and winning, almost on the way to winning the match. This was a good one from Dicky Palyama.
Service over.
Got the opportunity, and again, Aparna got the feeling that Lin Dan wasn't really stretching himself over.
Not really stretching himself, but again, Dicky Palyama also, I felt, could have hit the shuttle much harder than he did. Left up in the air, but you're playing Lin Dan. Come on, you've got to close out those points and not let Lin Dan get the shuttle on it.
What do you say?
Service
Gets
over.
the point and the
Five,
service back and gives it
three.
away. Especially when you're playing against someone of the caliber of Lin Dan, to lose your service is unpardonable. Well,
Service over.
Dicky Palyama on that opportunity, yet
Five.
again one got the impression that Lin Dan was not really trying that hard, because the impression one got is he could have reached the shuttle, but that was not to be. 4-5.
Well, just when there was a chance for scores to be level, Lin
Service
Dan comes
over.
up with that deception
Six,
at the net, forcing
four.
Dicky Palyama to hit the shuttle out at the base.
Number 4, mixed doubles, match number 54, Yu Yeon Simon, Kim Min Yoon of Korea.
Just as you
Seven.
said, Aparna gets the feeling that he's just giving practice to Dicky Palyama. And hardly any fast-paced rally. And Lin Dan just taking it very easy. Well, yet again, Aparna, an exhibition of how to retrieve from that position and come back with a
8,
winner.
4.
A little acknowledgement from Lindan with the cheer of the crowd. That dive was just spectacular. Just look at him, and then the way he closes out that point. I mean, Lindan, number 5 in the world, really should be much higher ranked, really. I mean, an Olympic champion. You know, come on.
Well, number 5 definitely doesn't justify his caliber, his look at him. There he goes. And I must also say excellent camera work over there. Well, that winner. Really, maybe also these points, like they say about many in other games also, rankings are not a true indication of the class of a player.
Definitely not in Lindan's case here. Well, that was well into the court from the baseline. Vicky Paliyama hoping to get some aid from the drift in the court. Not to be so. Lindan getting a good angle.
It goes up 10-4 now. Lindan doesn't really seem to be exerting himself at all, Lindan.
That's what happened when Lindan puts in
11-4
a bit
interval.
more power into his smashes.